Morty the elephant eats 145 kilograms of hay each week. We're going to use this information to answer 4 parts of this problem. First, you're going to round how much hay he eats each week to the nearest 10. Then you're going to use your estimate to find out what he eats in 2 weeks. Then you're going to calculate precisely to find out what he eats in 2 weeks. And lastly, you're going to draw a tape diagram to compare your estimate and your precise measurement. Go ahead and pause the video, give it a try on your own, and when you're ready, press play on the video again and to check your work. Okay, now we're going to go over the answer, so make sure you've had a chance to try it so far. First, we're going to round to the nearest 10, and in order to do that, we're going to draw a vertical number line. So we have 145, and I want to round to the nearest 10. So let's see, how many 10s? There are 4 10s, so 140 would be on the bottom. And on the top, I'd go 1 more 10. 140 plus 1 more 10 is 150. I'm going to find my middle point, 145, and now I'm going to put a mark. Do you remember what we do if it's in the middle? We always round up. So the answer to A is the elephant eats about 150 kilograms of hay each week. So that is our estimate. When we're going to look at number 2, or part B said use the estimate to find out how much the elephant eats in 2 weeks. So if this is how much he eats in 1 week, how could I find out how much the elephant eats in 2 weeks? Let's see, so in week 1, he eats about 150 kilograms. Week 2, he would eat about 150 kilograms. If I want to find out what that is total, I could add. So if I'm showing my work, I would show all this on my test. 150 plus 150, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to carry the 1 all the way up here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the elephant eats about 300 kilograms of hay in 2 weeks. Next, it said calculate precisely. So I'm going to take that he eats about 300 kilograms in 2 weeks. Okay. The next one said calculate precisely how much he eats in 2 weeks. So exactly week 1, he eats 145 kilograms. Week 2, he eats exactly 145 kilograms. So how could I find out how much he eats in 2 weeks? I could add them together. 145 plus 145. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So he eats exactly 290 kilograms in 2 weeks. Part D asked me to draw a tape diagram to find the difference between my estimate and my precise calculation. So let's see, my estimate was 300 kilograms was my estimate. And my exact total was less, so the tape's going to it's going to be smaller. 290 kilograms was my precise estimate. This is what I don't know. I don't know the difference. So how could I figure out what the difference is? I could subtract 300 minus 290. So let's see. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 9 can't do that, so I'm going to do some borrowing. I'm going to borrow. It's going to be 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the difference is 10 kilograms. How'd you do? Hopefully you did a good job. Go ahead and try another practice problem.